To fix the issue of TikTok unable to upload a video and instead saving it to your drafts, follow this step-by-step guide. First, ensure your internet connection is stable and working properly, as a weak connection can cause upload failures. Next, check the size and format of your video. TikTok has specific requirements for video uploads, including a maximum file size of 287.6 megabytes for Android devices and 273.8 megabytes for iOS devices, and supported formats such as MP4. If your video exceeds these limits or is in an unsupported format, you will need to edit or convert it before uploading. Additionally, check for any app updates in the App Store, as using an outdated version of TikTok can cause technical issues, including upload failures. If the issue persists, try clearing the app's cache and data. This can be done by going to your device's settings, selecting the TikTok app, and choosing the Clear Cache and Clear Data options. Another solution is to try uploading your video from the TikTok website instead of the mobile app. Sometimes, the website may be more stable and able to handle video uploads more effectively. It is also important to note that TikTok's servers may be experiencing technical difficulties, so trying to upload your video at a later time may resolve the issue. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the issue of TikTok unable to upload your video and instead saving it to your drafts. Remember to always check the app's requirements and your internet connection before attempting to upload a video.